In this video, I'll show you how to load paper inside of your Epson XP-4200 or XP-4100 printer. It's very easy. So the first thing you need to do is to turn this printer around. Okay, so this is the back of the printer. You're gonna take your fingers, stick them here and pull up. And then let this piece rest on its back. Then you're going to open this other section by simply lifting it up, and you'll see there's two blue guides over here. If you're printing on 8.5 by 11 paper, like everybody, I think, this is just a normal piece of paper, you're going to extend those blue guides to the extremities by simply pushing them this way. Then take your stack of paper, or you can just put one sheet as well, and glide them between those blue guides. Like this. You just have to rest them, you don't need to push them. Then close this. On the printer screen, you'll have this message appearing. You just have to confirm that this is the size of paper that you're loading. So in our case, it's 8.5 by 11. Just make sure this is selected and that it's plain paper. If you were to put glossy paper, just have to go down, press OK, and select the type of paper. So if it was glossy, just choose glossy here. Or if it was another type, just choose another type. When you're done, select close, press OK, and then go up, select close again, and press OK. This is it. This is how you load paper inside of your Epson XP-4200 or XP-4100. I hope this tutorial was useful. If so, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.